Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007 ECE paper, and this question is related to microprocess. This question is a linked answer question for the next two questions. So look at this one. An 8085 assembly language program is given below, and for this assembly language program the question asked is the contents of accumulator just after execution of add instruction in the line 4. So you are going to calculate the accumulator contents after this fourth line execution. So that after add b, okay, what are the contents of accumulator? Contents of accumulator, how much? And second question is nothing but after executing of the line 7 of the program, what are the status of after execution of line 7, status of carry flag and zero flag. This is the second question for this program. Okay, after fourth line what are the contents of accumulator, after seventh line execution what are the status of carry and zero flags. So this was the program given. Move immediate a b5. Move immediate a comma b5 is nothing but move immediately the data present in the instruction into accumulator. So the data given in the instruction will be loaded directly into accumulator, immediately loaded into accumulator. So A will be called as B5. B5 is nothing but B is 1011 and 5 implies nothing but 0101. And next move immediate B, that is uh, load B register with 0E content for this instruction. So that B is going to be now 0000 and E implies nothing but 1110. This is what the E value. So this is 0E. Simply move immediate A comma B5 is nothing but A will be loaded with B5 and here it is B will be loaded with 0E. This is what taking place. So now this is B value and it is A value. Okay. Now next is nothing but XRI 69H. The meaning of this one is nothing but XR operation immediately. Do XR operation immediately. I implies nothing but immediate. XR immediate. Okay. With the contents 69 and accumulator and the load accumulator with the result. So this is going to be going with accumulator is loaded with XR operation between the contents of accumulator and 69. So 69 and accumulator contents are going to be XR'd and the result is going to be stored in the accumulator register. Okay, so now A is going to be consisting of 1011, okay, and 01 and 0101 0101. This is nothing but B5 contents. A is having B5 and 69 can be written as 6 is nothing but 0110 and 9 is nothing but 1001. Do the XR operation over here. XR operation. XR operation is nothing but whenever the inputs are dissimilar. Whenever the inputs are different, output will be 1. Whenever the inputs are same, output will be 0. So 1 1 is nothing but you will get 0, 0 0 same you will get 0, and next 1 0, this is 1 0, that is nothing but dissimilar input, so that 1 0 1 is nothing but 1, next 1 0 1 you will get 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. So this is what the result and it will be stored in accumulator itself. So A will be consisting of, after execution of this instruction, A will be consisting of 1101 and 1100. That implies nothing but DC is going to be the result. Okay, and next add B. Add B instruction is nothing but add B, what it is doing? Add B implies nothing but simply after add B, accumulator is going to be loaded with addition of accumulator contents with B register. So A and B are going to be gets added, the result is stored again in the accumulator itself. So already A value is available, so add B. B value is known, that is nothing but 0E. So simply add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. E implies nothing but 1, 1, 1, 0. So if you add this one, the result is going to be again stored in the accumulator itself. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, okay, and it will become 1, and the value is nothing but after addition 3 ones you will get 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 1, 0. This is going to be the result you will get. So A is equal to, after addition instruction, A will be equal to 1, 1, 1, 0 followed by 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is what the result you will get for A. A implies nothing but now it is EA, the value is. After fourth instruction execution, the contents of A is going to be EA. Okay, and next, and immediate implies nothing but, okay, and immediate, the instruction what after and immediate 9B, that implies nothing but what actually it is doing is and operation between the accumulator contents, okay, and 9B is going to be taking place, logical and operation between accumulator contents and 9B data, and the result is going to be stored in accumulator itself. So now accumulator contents are this one 1 1 1 0 0 1 0, this one. So A is equal to, I am going a fresh one, 1 1 1 0 and 1 0 1 0, and operation has to be with 9B, okay. 9B implies nothing but the value of 9B, 9 is nothing but 1001, B is nothing but 1011. So take the logical and operation. Logical and operation. And operation is nothing but 0 1. And is nothing but whenever the both the inputs are at logic 1, then only output is 1 for a and operation. And is nothing but logical multiplication. Output will be 1 whenever the inputs are logic 1. Okay, only for that combination you will get logic 1. So 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, and this is 1. Accumulator is going to be consisting of 8A. So after execution of this and immediate instruction, the contents will be equal to, A is equal to 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 0, that is nothing but 8A you will get. Okay, and now compare immediate. Compare immediate, what is the function of this compare immediate? 9F is nothing but it will compare the contents of accumulator and the given data. So here it is going to be comparing accumulator contents, that is nothing but 8A with 9F with 9F with 9F. So 8A and 9F. If for example the contents of accumulator are going to be greater than the given data by that time, okay, A minus, actually the operation what it is doing is nothing but contents of the given contents are going to be subtracted from this accumulator contents, and based on that one it may raise 0 flag or carry flag. 0 flag and carry flag is going to be accordingly they modified depending on the result. Compare immediate 9F implies nothing but simply 9F will be subtracted from the accumulator, okay, but the result in the accumulator will not modify, only just based on that subtraction 0 and carry flags will be affected. If accumulator is going to be greater, at that time there is no carry required, okay, so that carry flag will be 0 and 0 flag will be 0. If accumulator is going to be smaller than the given data, by that time it requires a carry flag, it requires a carry, that implies nothing but carry flag is going to be raised, that will set the carry flag, and 0 flag will be 0. If the accumulator contents and the data are going to be same, by that time the result is 0, that implies nothing but both are equal, so that 0 flag is set. but the contents of accumulator will not modify. Remember that one. The zero flag and carry flag is going to be set or reset depending on the subtraction performed between accumulator and data, but nothing will be modified except the flags. So now in this case accumulator contents are smaller than 9f. Accumulator contents are smaller than 9f, that implies nothing but, okay, accumulator contents minus 9f, it requires a carry. A carry is going to be generated, that is 8a minus 9f is going to be requires a carry, that is nothing but carry flag will be set and the result is not 0, so that 0 flag is unset. So cy is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. These are going to be the answers. After 4th instruction the accumulator contents are ea, and after 7th instruction the values are going to be cy1 z0. sta instruction doesn't modify the flags, it will simply copy sta instruction. sta instruction is going to be simply copy the contents of accumulator into memory location where 3010, the memory location 3010, contents of a is going to be loaded in stored in 3010 location, and no flags are going to be affected. Over here in this one no flags are affected, no flags are affected for this sta instruction. So the flag conditions after cpi will be remain same, cy is equal to 1, z is equal to 0. So the right answers for this question is after 4th instruction execution accumulator contents are going to be ea, the answer is b, and after execution of 7th instruction carry flag is going to be 1, 0 flag is 0, so the answer is c. So thank you.